So you wanna force the camera or pawn to face a direction. Use set control rotation. It snaps the controller's view to your chosen rotation. Now to get it, just right click and type in set control rotation. But you see here, it's not showing up because the context sensitivity is ticked here. As soon as you untick it, it will start showing the set control rotation because the target is controller, as you can see on the available node. So it requires a get player controller. I mean, it requires controller in the scene. That's when it will get the set control rotation. So we get this node here. As you can see, as long as we drag the pin from get player controller, we can get this node because the target is the controller. For now, from even begin play, we take a delay of approximately 5 seconds and then it will set the control rotation to 000. Now it can be your enemy's location or anything like that, but for me, currently I will leave it on 000. And every 5 seconds, no matter where I'm looking at, it will force me to face the 000 location. Or in your case, it can be an enemy or anything else, whatever it is. So make it. We are making it a bit beautiful here, and let's compile it and start with begin play. And as you can see, we are currently facing the 180-degree angle, and after 5 seconds, it moved us forcefully to 000. And no matter where we are looking, it will keep resetting us to 000 every 5 seconds. So it is a very useful node, and the uses are like cut scenes, targeting system, a missile type thing, or the scripted events. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.